Hello guys, and welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make money with opay bank. Opay is an online banking that is better than any other bank in Nigeria today because of different benefits. You will make a lot of money here. In fact, as you can see here, all the money I'm using for transaction, everything, I normally use opay. Okay guys, so how to make money, let's go. But I'll first introduce something to you here to know. First thing to do is to come down to this place. Immediately you download your app from Play Store. Make sure you verify, and when you verify your account, you can see that you come down to this area now. This is a home page. Okay, as you can see this home page, I am in tier 2. Okay, you can see that the single transaction limit is 200,000. Daily transaction limit is 200,000, and then you can see maximum account balance is 500,000. That is the maximum amount that I can receive to this account is 500,000 naira. Okay, but if I upgraded to this tier 3, this place will change to 5 million naira. Okay, so the maximum will change to 5 million naira. Okay, don't make a mistake. What you can do to upgrade to this tier 3 is just your proof of identification, your proof of address rather. Okay, your NEPA bill or everything, that is the only thing you can use, and your ID card. Okay, so to upgrade to 5 million naira. Okay, but if you are in tier 2 and the maximum amount you can receive is 500,000, don't make a mistake and put 1 million naira there. Okay, just know that first. Okay, aside from that, let me go back again. Let me go back to this. What you just need your NIN, simple, to verify. After your account is being verified, how can you make money with this app? Okay, this opay. Now, first thing here is to, let me first show you gradually here. Do you see this reward? Coming down to the reward here, let me click on reward. As you can see this reward now, this is reward now. Coming to this reward, it means that in this area you are going to make money every day. Okay, as you can see, so far so good. I have make 300 naira here. How can you make this money is that every day you can see all this thing is ticking like this. When you come to this app, every day you will receive 10 naira, receive 10 naira. Aside from this one, if you buy recharge card, 3% of your money is coming back anytime you buy any amount of recharge card you buy. Aside from this one, let me take you to another place, how to make money here. When you come down to finance, do you see the finance there? What you can do here is that by clicking on this finance, you can see that we have this wallet. Let me come back again. This is wallet. I've clicked on wallet. I will explain more concerning this wallet. Wallet here is that when you open your account, make sure you click on wallet. You click this area, you invest your money to wallet. So your savings, anytime you receive money on your mobile app, automatically it will be in wallet. You can withdraw this money anytime, any day. Okay, that one is not stopping your interest. You receive 15% interest. Do you see that? Every blessed day. As you can see, this account, I receive 15% interest on my money here. That is why I prefer my money to stay here from morning to what, to 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock in the morning, you will receive your alerts every day. Aside from that reward, aside from what, aside from recharge card or you buy data. Okay, you even recharge your GoTV, DSTV, StarTime, you will receive 3%, 5% of interest. Okay, aside from that, let
Guy,
me show
aside
you.
from the referral, you will see that I come down to OPay card here, and then let me tell you the secret here. This OPay card, please just get this OPay card with what, online. Get it online. Don't go to any of their agents, because if you go to any of their agents, you won't get the benefit. Okay, the benefit is that by the time you get it from OPay directly, the benefit is that you will be receiving, when you are using this card to withdraw money from any ATM machine, you will be receiving 500 naira. Forget, you may pay 1000 naira to get this card, but immediately you get this card, the 1000 naira will be returned to you, and when you are using this card to withdraw money, 500 naira, you will be receiving it every day when you are using this card. Okay, look at this, a lot of benefit from this. The amount on always here. Let me go back again. Let me go back to transaction. Can you see this is transaction now? Okay, as you can see all this transaction, you can see all this money as you are buying the recharge card. Do you see? This is the money from Owet. This is the money from, this is the cashback. Okay, so this is the transfer from the bank. So all this one now you can see. Let me show you. You can see the transaction. Let me click this one. Can you see all the transaction, all the 30 naira I'm talking about here? The 30 naira, that is from reward. This is from Owet, 5 naira. It based on the money you have, you will be receiving it every time. Can you see all the transaction? For you to know that, don't joke with this app. Don't joke with OPay app. Okay, and then is the third one I will tell you, the reward here. The another benefit is that it's very fast. It's very fast. Even though nowadays when everybody is complaining that there's no network, there's no net, I don't have issues. I don't have issues with my OPay. Immediately I send money like this, the client or anyone is receiving it immediately. You can transfer the money to any other bank with what is zero fees. Is zero fees, no money, no 10 naira, no 5 naira from where, of which the one or commercial bank is doing. Okay, you can transfer to any other bank by clicking on this. Just click on transfer here. You can see it here. So this one is other bank, this one is other bank, and this one is from OPay users. Okay, so any bank name it, any bank name it, you can transfer. It's free of charge. So guys, the benefit of OPay is numerous. Okay guys, so the bank is numerous and they are doing well. The service, everything, the security, everything is intact. So guys, that is why I want you to join this app and make a lot of money there. You can make a lot of money with referral, but I don't want to mention referral. Anybody you refer is 800 naira. 800 naira. Can you imagine? When someone now just open the app, you use your referral code, you receive 800 naira, aside from all the benefit I have made mentioning now. Okay, so guys, this app or this online banking is the best. Okay guys, just take it. I didn't receive any money from them.
I'm not advertising for them, but the benefit I'm enjoying, that is why I said let me just open it up to my community so you too can also enjoy it. So if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.